What's up guys, Escudin52 and welcome back to another video. Now I know what you're thinking, this is Saturday, there's a video, but this is a surprise video because last night, the night before, Chien was on AGT Got Talent, the final. Now, you may remember Chien from the 2018 Grand Prix ribbon act where he had the ribbon and the coins and it was amazing, it was brilliant, it's like hand. Well, he's on AGT Got Talent, he's in the final. The winner is announced April 10th and I am going to take a look at his final routine. So, without further ado.
Thank you everyone. Now judges, may I join your table?
Yes.
Sure, come on.
Awesome. Now I've been doing magic for 10 years now, and I've only been doing it professionally for the past 3 years. And it's all thanks to these coins right here. As you guys can see over here, I have a silver coin and a copper coin. J Park, can I borrow your hand?
Yes, you may.
Flat. Face down? Perfect. You're gonna hold on to one of the coins for me. Just make a fist. Perfect. Hold it tight. Now watch. Oh, I have the copper one. Watch very closely. See right now. I have the silver coin. Turn your hand over, and you have the copper coin.
Oh, that was really good. That was very visual.
Thank you, J Park. I've been creating magic for the past 10 years. And do you guys know what the most important thing to creating magic is? It's actually your imagination. So tonight, I want to bring everyone to see my imagination. Now today, I actually need someone's help. Any volunteers? How about Alan? Get over here, Alan.
Hello, Eric.
Have a seat. Hello.
I will. How are you, man?
Give him a round of applause. I'm good. Now, do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate.
Perfect. You're gonna love this then. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's go.
I can eat it?
Yeah, of course.
It's real chocolate.
Okay, we've got some M&Ms. Apparently it's real chocolate. Brilliant. So it obviously it's a palming technique, but that's just brilliant. This is the idea of the Rubik's Cube is tearing out these M&Ms.
Here,
And it's a
Alan,
working
can you
one.
mix up the cube for me?
Yeah? Okay.
Perfect. Now I want you to place both of your hands out like this. I want you to hold onto my hand and cover the cube like this, okay? Perfect, just cover the cube.
What? What? No! What is I'll take that back. Where did that even come from?
Watch.
Nice.
You see?
This is gonna solve the cube by waving it in the air, which is a brilliant Rubik's Cube routine. That's incredible.
All 6 sides completely solved. Not only that though, remember the cube you mixed up in your hands the whole time. Lift up your hand and show everyone your cube.
Nah.
It's completely solved on all.
How is? Oh. Okay.
6 sides. Alan, can I borrow your hand one more time?
Yeah.
I want you to watch the cubes. Watch the cubes very, very carefully, because I can actually turn them back
No.
into chocolate.
What? Oh, you madman! What is he doing?
Real chocolate.
That, man.
Not only that though, watch carefully.
What? What? Nah.
Thank you so much, Alan.
Oh my god.
I'm sure there's more? Okay, let's go do these. Oh. Okay, that's a really nice ending. That is a really nice ending. He's and these M&Ms are now turning into confetti and flying across the stage.
Welcome to my imagination.
Welcome to my imagination. Well, okay. That's made me feel crap as a magician. No, but seriously, that was incredible. The chocolate and the cubes turn it back into chocolate, and when he has the big cube, he smashes it. Woo, what the hell that? Crikey. Okay, so make sure you vote for Eric Chien on Asia's Got Talent. I will leave a link where you can go vote below, because I think that is absolutely madness. I mean, Fizzum was good, the coins and the cards, but seeing the Rubik's Cubes and the chocolate, the way his mind thinks, that's just incredible. So.